Alright, so we've got this industrial-grade connector, the BHUPWZE HDC HE048, and let me tell you, it looks like it means business. This isn't your average plug, it's built for some serious work. Imagine needing to connect a whole bunch of power lines reliably, even in tough environments. That's where this beast comes in. It's a rectangular 48-core heavy-duty connector, which means it can handle a massive amount of connections all in one go. The specs are pretty impressive. It's rated for 16 amps and a hefty 500 volts, so it's definitely not shy about handling significant power. The rated pulse withstand voltage is 6 kV, which gives you a good idea of its resilience against sudden electrical surges. And the isolation resistance is over 10, meaning it's designed to keep things safely separated. The housing is made from polycarbonate, which is known for being tough and durable, perfect for industrial settings where things can get a bit rough. What really stands out is the heavy-duty and waterproof aspect. This isn't just for a clean workshop, it's designed to withstand the elements. The cover is a nice touch, offering extra protection when it's not in use. It's also got a side outgoing line, which can be super convenient for routing cables in a specific way. The item weight is only 50 grams, which is surprisingly light for something that looks so robust, making installation a bit easier. While it doesn't come with a plug, that's typical for this kind of connector. You're meant to integrate it into a larger system. The BHUPWZE brand is behind this, and they seem to be focusing on solid, reliable industrial components. It's a single unit, and the color is just a standard industrial look, which is fine because functionality is key here. Overall, if you're in an industry that demands robust, high capacity, and protected electrical connections, this BHUPWZE 48-core connector looks like a very solid contender. It's built to last and handle demanding conditions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.